How's it going, guys? Ryan here with Truck Brigade. Wanted to take a minute and talk about the MAXTRAX Universal Mount from PrinSu Design Studio. Each order will contain 2 brackets. These are made out of 1/8 inch steel and all the necessary mounting hardware to mount to your PrinSu cab rack or your PrinSu top rack. You will notice there are 2 pre-drilled large holes on the top and bottom. This is to accept the MAXTRAX mounting pins. The 4 bolts on the inside are designed to mount this to your PrinSu crossbar. These can be mounted either from front to back or side to side, depending on how your roof rack is set up and how you have things oriented. If you have any questions about these or any of the other PrinSu Design Studio products we offer, feel free to reach out to us at truckbrigade.com.